I'm not going to be giving you permission to buy lots of gear. These are just the 5 things that I think everyone needs to get off to the best possible start on their harmonica journey. Number 1, a decent harmonica. This should be obvious, but you need to get a harmonica that is good enough to play. This does not mean buying a super fancy custom harmonica made from woolly mammoth tusks.
You've got an incredible collection.
I've got a lot of money wrapped up here. I don't know how it happened, it just happened.
It does mean buying something fit for purpose, that's easy enough to play, that you won't be put off playing. Please don't be a masochist and buy a harmonica that is cheap and hard to play to prove that you are some super macho superhero harmonica player. It's not worth it. Cheap harmonicas are so demoralizing and they will teach you bad technique. Personally, I recommend getting a Hohner Special 20 in the key of C major. Loads of pros use them, they're not that expensive, and you can get them anywhere. Next thing, lessons. I'm not promoting myself here, I'm just telling you what I wish someone had told me when I started. I didn't take any music lessons until I had been playing for over a decade because I was stubborn and I thought I could learn by myself. I learned more in that first lesson than I did in the first 10 years by myself. Don't wait until you are good enough to get lessons. Get lessons and get better quicker. Number 3, a notebook. I log all of my practice in my practice notebook. I write my main goal that I'm working on at the moment, and then I log all the practice I'm doing to achieve that goal.
I wrote you every day for a year.
This means writing down how many reps or minutes I'm working on something each time I practice. I make notes of areas that I'm struggling with, and I keep score of the tempo I'm playing the current exercise at. This helps to keep me focused on the one thing I'm working on at a time. I nail that one thing and then I move on to the next one. Without the notebook, I just jump around random things and I lose sight of my current goal. Number 4, a metronome. Everyone needs a metronome, either as an app on their phone or a real physical metronome. You can also use a drum machine. Basically, you need something that will teach you how to internalize a pulse.
Start counting.
5, 6, 7.
In 4, damn it! Look at me!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Playing in time with a metronome or a drum machine will teach you good timing and rhythm. Everyone needs this. Okay, number 5. Finally, and the most fun, spend liberally on gig tickets and records. The best way to be inspired to keep learning and practicing is to listen to great music and experience awesome performances. I don't get to see a lot of live harmonica playing where I live because there isn't really a lot of it here. But anytime I do, it always leads to a big push in my playing because I'm inspired by what I've seen. Listening to great recordings is a good substitute for going to gigs, so go out and buy some CDs, records, cassettes, if you still do that.
That is perverse. Don't tell anybody you don't own blonde on blonde. It's gonna be okay.
Or just pay to download/stream some MP3s. For now, this is all you need to be spending money on as a beginner harmonica player. All right, it's time for you to get back to practicing. Me too. Happy harping.